Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after a long period of time, I'm here uploading another hairstyle video which you can create just under 2 minutes. So without a further ado, let's get started to the video. First, I'm taking my front section hair from the arch of my brows, and here I'm loosening up some hair strands from the front area, and I'm just going to wrap the hair strands with each other like this way on my crown area. Now I'm going to pull some hair from the crown section to make it more voluminized and round, and I'm just going to secure this with some bobby pin. You have to use bobby pins here, no U-pins, no tic-tac pins, you have to use bobby pins. When you're done, you have to make a ponytail like this. For that, you can use a rubber band or a woolen band you prefer. Here I'm using a rubber band, and again I'm going to secure the end part again with making a ponytail again. Now I'm going to loosen up the ponytail like this so that I can wrap the hair and make it look like a bun. So once it's done, I'm going to secure this with some bobby pin. Here I'm using bobby pins first, and then I'm going to use some U-pins to make it very tight and so that it holds for the entire day. It's a very easy bun and anybody can create this. You can create this under 2 minutes. So it's you can say this is a running late hairstyle. Now I'm going to add some rose flowers with the help of U-pins. I'm just gonna stuck the U-pins through the flowers, and I'm going to tuck it on my bun like this way. And once it's done, I'm going to add a jasmine garland like this way so that it creates a U shape under the bun. So this is the hairstyle is all about. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.